right, this Uber Eats order just popped up, and I took it because half the time that I take these orders that don't seem real, they are real. The other half of the time, the restaurant just doesn't have the order. So I decided I'm going to take the risk. It's 2 customers, which means that I could be getting scammed by Uber or by the customer. I don't know. But I'm going to find out, and I'm going to drive 18 miles just to the delivery to see if it's real and if I get this tip. But it's a Monday. It's slow. So I'm just going to have to do it. I also just got myself a milkshake because it's necessary to stay motivated when doing these apps, these jobs. So I'm just going to enjoy drinking it on the ride, regardless of how much I get paid. That's where we're at right now. Oh my God, turn your car. Turn your car. Why did it stop in the middle of the road? Turn into Chipotle. Now they're about to hit this car. This phone mount needs to go. I need a new one. Because what's happening? Alright, I made it to the restaurant, but I have to say, out of everything that is annoying about these jobs, other drivers is the worst. It's the worst. An Uber for Addie, okay? Surprisingly, the order's here, so I have one of them. Now I'm just waiting for the second one. I really didn't think they're gonna have them, so we have a good chance of getting this one. There's also like a glitch because it's showing me that both pickups are here, but it's only showing me one name for the restaurant. So I don't know if that has anything to do with the pay. I don't know if maybe they keep setting it out and it's not working, but I'm waiting for the second order and hopefully I can hit pickup on both of them. Alright, well I got both of them. So now just need to deliver them and wait for the tip to go through, if it's the tip. So far I can't see a reason why it's that high other than the tip, so wish me luck. I don't know how long I thought 18 miles was going to be. The first delivery is 16 miles, but it says 26 minutes, which I guess isn't too bad. I know that most of the driving is on like a freeway, so it's not too bad. I feel like it'll take me under an hour or just about an hour to deliver both of them and come back. So, not bad. First one's going to a school, which I find schools, you know, sometimes people take their tip away because they're tip baiting. But it's okay, even if they do. Yeah. Alright, I've never been here, but it was pretty easy to find. I got their order, and this is what it looks like the delivery thing. There's a camera, so that's interesting, but there's a lot of deliveries here. Hopefully they take the right Chipotle order. Oh, the other order is actually going here as well. So I always think it's kind of funny when Uber doesn't put, like, you can't see the address ahead of time, really, like the exact address. So it's like when you're putting an order down, I mean, when you're delivering an order and then you turn around and you have a second order, it ends up going to the same place. Well, that's what I like to see. So it just came up saying $46. So the tip was only $5 between the 2 orders for 18 miles, but it is a school, so I didn't really expect much. But at least I got 46 of the 51 secured. I feel like that's pretty good. I mean, I don't ever do orders that are this many miles, but if I do get the tip, that's $51 for an hour, so not bad.